Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake lemon pie. It's a creamy, no-bake lemon filling topped with whipped cream. It's kind of like lemon meringue pie, but with whipped cream instead of meringue. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a pie crust. I'll link to a few of my videos showing how to make pie crust in the description box. And you're going to need to blind bake the crust, and I showed how to do that in my pie crust troubleshooting video, and I'll link to that video in the description box as well. Except once you bake it the second time without the aluminum foil and weights, bake it for 15 minutes to fully bake the crust. Once the crust is baked, set it aside to cool. To make the lemon filling, in a large saucepan, add in the sugar, salt, and whole milk, or I'm using half and half for a more creamy pie filling. Place the saucepan onto the stove over medium heat. Stir to combine the ingredients. And heat it until it just starts to boil, stirring it occasionally. While it's heating, add the egg yolks into a small mixing bowl. And add in the cornstarch. And whisk it really well to get rid of all the lumps. Once the mixture on the stove starts to boil, remove it from the heat. Add a small amount of it into the egg mixture and whisk to combine. Then slowly pour in the rest while whisking constantly. Pour the mixture into the saucepan and place it back onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until it boils and thickens, whisking it the whole time so you don't get lumps. Once it's thick, keep whisking it over the heat for another minute to really cook out the cornstarch so it doesn't have a floury taste to it. Again, whisk it the whole time so you don't get lumps. Then remove it from the heat. Add in the butter. And mix it in until it's melted into the mixture. Then add in the lemon zest. When zesting lemons, make sure you're only getting the yellow parts and not the white parts, because the white parts will make it taste bitter. And add in the lemon juice. And mix them in until they're combined. Pour the filling into the cooled pie crust. Spread it out evenly. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight until it's firm and cold. After letting it chill, you can then make the whipped cream. In a medium bowl, add in the cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. And whip it with an electric mixer until it forms a stiff peaks. Try not to over-whip it. Remove the chilled pie from the fridge. Add the whipped cream on top and spread it out evenly. And if you like, you can add some grated lemon zest on top of it. And it can be served any time at this point. If you're not serving it immediately, keep it covered in plastic wrap and store it in the fridge. And that's how to make a no-bake lemon pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.